Skinny, no matter how much you eat. Today I'll show you the 5 biggest mistakes skinny guys make and how to build muscle fast. A lot of people think being skinny is just genetics and building muscle is impossible. But the truth is, most skinny guys are simply training wrong and eating wrong. If you're naturally skinny, this video could completely change your physique. The biggest problem? Most skinny guys think they eat a lot. Reality? They're not eating enough calories to grow muscle. If your body doesn't get extra fuel, it cannot build size. Simple rule: every meal should include protein, carbs, healthy fats, foods like eggs, rice, chicken, bananas, peanut butter, milk. And remember, eating clean doesn't mean starving yourself. Doing only bicep curls won't build an impressive body. If you want fast muscle growth, focus on big exercises. Squats, bench press, pull-ups, deadlifts, overhead press. These movements train multiple muscles at once. Result: more strength, more muscle stimulation, and faster gains. A lot of skinny beginners train with weights that are too easy. Muscles only grow when they're challenged. If you've been using the same weights for months, your body has already adapted. Rule: every week, increase the weight, increase the reps, or increase the intensity. This is called progressive overload, and it's the real secret to muscle growth. The gym breaks muscle down, but muscle grows during recovery. If you sleep 5 hours, eat junk food, stay stressed all day, your body will never fully recover. 7 to 9 hours of sleep is mandatory. No one builds an aesthetic physique while ignoring recovery. Most skinny guys train for 2 weeks, look in the mirror, and quit. Muscle building is a slow process, but if you train consistently, eat enough calories, push hard in workouts, you can completely transform your body in 6 months. Remember this: being skinny is not a weakness. In fact, starting lean makes it easier to build an aesthetic physique. You just need smart training, proper nutrition, and consistency. Start today. 1 year from now, you won't even recognize yourself. If you're serious about building muscle, subscribe to the channel, because here, you get real fitness advice,